Welcome to Parrotoonz, a fun way of learning.
Hello friends, I'm Pip. Today we'll learn colors. This is red, like a juicy apple. This is blue, like the sky. This is yellow, like the bright sun. This is green, like leaves and plants. This is orange, like the orange fruit. This is pink, like a pretty flower. This is purple, like tasty grapes. This is brown, like the trunk of a tree. This is black, like a chalkboard. This is white, like a cloud. Great! We learned 10 colors today. See you again with Pip.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.